Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make healthy truffles using an easy method. We'll start by gathering just a few simple, wholesome ingredients that are probably already in your pantry. This recipe is perfect for a quick, guilt-free treat. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly these delicious truffles come together, offering a delightful snack without any complicated steps or extensive cooking. Let's get started on this delightful culinary journey. Next, we'll create the perfect base for our truffles. Take your pitted dates and nuts, then combine them in a food processor. Blend these ingredients until they form a sticky, dough-like consistency. This step is crucial for ensuring your truffles hold their shape beautifully. If the mixture seems a little too dry, simply add about 1 tablespoon of water to achieve that ideal texture. It's all about getting that perfect blend. Now let's infuse our truffle base with some wonderful flavors. Add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder for a rich, deep chocolate taste. For an extra layer of aroma and sweetness, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Once thoroughly mixed, it's time for the fun part, shaping. Roll the mixture into small, uniform balls, aiming for about 1 inch in diameter. These little spheres are almost ready for their grand finale. For the final touch, let's give our truffles a beautiful coating. You can roll them in shredded coconut for a tropical twist, or use extra cocoa powder for an intense chocolate experience. Place your freshly coated truffles onto a tray lined with parchment paper. The last essential step is chilling them for at least 30 minutes. This firms them up, making them perfectly ready to enjoy as a delightful, healthy treat. Enjoy your homemade creations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.